Alright guys, bright and early. Starting to warm up for my planche work. Try to see if I can get the wrists a little more prepared before I start. Wait, why did I do this vertical? Silly. Was that even frame? Shift this over a little bit. I'm gonna start in about 15 seconds, give or take. So what I'm doing for now is 10 seconds times 6 with about 1 minute rest. Trying to straighten my arms, but they're like slightly bent. I'm not quite there yet, but hopefully as I warm up I'll be able to kind of rotate them out. Woo. I figured going to grass might be a little more comfortable, but not really. Got a little past the timer because I kind of screwed up the start. I don't know, nothing feels any better to me. Straight, slightly turned, I've even tried about a 90-degree turn. It all sucks right now, I'm not really conditioned to anything. So I might just stick, I don't know, that one felt maybe slightly better, but I could just be more warmed up. Might just stick the straight one for now, and then maybe next training cycle, if I progress, I'll switch to like a more turned out hand position. Oh, let's look at the time. Seem to be prepared for the next one. Okay. Definitely feeling in the wrist. Woo. But I think this way is way better than just trying to go for a max hold all the time. Get more volume in. 60 seconds time retention. I'm gonna try to do this probably from now on, like either every other day or after 2 days of rest. So maybe I'll get 3 minutes time retention per week or something. Definitely starting to get hard. Oh, the wrist. The wrist. Good thing about this stuff is, you know, once I adapt, my joints and tendons in my wrist are gonna be super tough and mobile, which is gonna help me a lot with climbing, especially like mantling, you know, and doing top outs and stuff like that. So that's another reason why I chose this exercise. Come on. All right, easy as that. Oh, I'm feeling it. Pretty tough. Definitely feeling the muscle tension involved too. Especially those last 3 sets, I was like, like I'm bracing for a heavy squat or deadlift or something. Should be kind of a full body tension kind of exercise once you kind of get adapted to the position. You got spaghetti wrist right now. So building that like hard style body tension can also be really good for core stability and balance and like muscle control, which is also something very important in climbing. Anyway, I'm about to sneeze. Ugh, allergies are getting to me. Time to go inside, get a little breakfast, take my allergy medicine. Be back in 2 days or 3 days. Peace.